Hello sir, my name is Restigal P. Forgoso and I will be reporting the effects of crime victimization. So, effects of crime victimization. Introduction. Criminal victimization is a frightening and unsettling experience for many individuals. It is unpredictable, largely unpreventable, and often unexpected. Unlike life experience, victimization is not sought and never welcomed. It is debilitating and demoralizing. Its effect can be often long-term and difficult to overcome. Victims may be confused, fearful, frustrated, and angry. They want to know why this happened and why it happened to them. Victims often have no knowledge of who or where to turn in the aftermath of crime. They feel insecure and do not know who to trust or really on for support, understanding, and help. Not only do they suffer physically, emotionally, psychologically, and financially from their victimization, they are also burdened by the complexity of criminal justice system. So, how does crime affect people? So, crime affects everyone differently. Victimization often causes trauma, and depending the level of trauma that the person has already experienced in their lifetime, crime can be devastating. In general, victimization often impacts people on the emotional, financial, physical, psychological, and social level. So, we have types of losses. First is tangible losses. Um, First is the property damage and losses. Property damage taken and not recovered. Medical care. Um, Payments for hospital and physicians. Emergency medical transport. Rehabilitation. Prescription, medical device, and premature funeral expenses. We have also the mental health care. Payments for service to crime victims by psychiatrists, psychologists, and social workers. Productivity, wage, benefits, housework, and school day loss by victims and their families. Productivity loss by co-workers and supervisors, agency, recruiting and training replacement for disabled workers. People stuck in traffic jams caused by vehicular accidents. Intangible losses, pain, physical, suffering, mental antisocial behavior, emotional trauma, reduced quality of life, physical disability, and incapacity. So, suffering. In physical injuries such as gunshot wounds, laceration, broken bones, sprains, and burns. Physical injuries that leads to other health conditions such as heart attack, strokes, fractures from falling, and loss of dexterity. Psychological anxiety including rapid heart rate, hyperventilation, and stomach distress. Permanent disability, disfigurement, sleep disorder, inability to work. For sexual assault victims, possible exposure to sexual transmitted disease, exposure to HIV and unwanted pregnancy, etc. Mental, slow thinking, and confusion, disorientation, memory problems, intrusive memories or flashbacks, mga bumabalik sa kanya mga alaala niya, nightmares, inability to concentrate, hindi makafocus, Difficulty in making decision. Hindi siya makapag-desisyon, ganon. Dito, slow thinking, ito yung mga hirap mag-isip, mabagal mag-isip. Tapos laging confusion, laging nako-confuse. Tapos memory problems, mga makalilimutin. And then financial. So, financial, medical bills, emergency transportation, hospital stays, inpatient and outpatient physical care, and medical supplies, medication and prescription drugs, replacements of eyeglasses, hearing aids, or other sensory aid items damaged, destroyed, or stolen. So, physical therapy, occupational therapy, and job retaining. Mental health counseling and therapy, loss of wage due to incapacitation, rehabilitation or taking time off from work to repair damage from property crimes, participate in criminal and juvenile justice proceeding, or seek medical or mental health treatment. Loss of or damage to personal property, cause of replacing locks and changing security device. For family of homicide victims, funeral and burial expenses and loss of income.